Have you ever felt like, no matter how much you work, money just seems to slip through your fingers? Do you wake up drained, surrounded by stagnant energy, and wonder why opportunities seem blocked? What if I told you that something as simple as where you store your shoes could be silently draining your wealth, disrupting your spiritual balance, and closing doors to prosperity? In this video, I'll reveal the hidden energetic impact of shoe placement in your home and how a simple shift can unlock the flow of abundance, clear financial blockages, and restore harmony to your space. If you've been feeling stuck, anxious, or trapped in cycles of lack, this may be the key to shifting everything. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you how to turn your home into a magnet for wealth, success, and opportunities, just by changing this one habit. Shoes are far more than just items of clothing. They are spiritual imprints of your journey. Every step you take, every place you visit, every emotion you feel while wearing them, your shoes absorb all of it. In esoteric teachings, they are seen as energy carriers, picking up vibrations from the outside world and bringing them into your personal space. But what happens when that energy is misplaced? Across different spiritual traditions, shoes hold deep symbolic meaning. In Buddhist and Hindu teachings, it is believed that shoes carry the dust and impurities of the external world, which is why they are traditionally removed before entering sacred spaces. In Feng Shui, shoes are considered extensions of a person's energy field. How they are stored can either enhance or disrupt the flow of Chai, the life force that governs prosperity, health, and harmony. Esoteric traditions also emphasize that shoes can act as anchors for spiritual energy, grounding you when properly placed, but causing chaos when left in energetically sensitive locations. Imagine this. You come home after a long, stressful day. Your shoes have soaked up everything: the rush of the streets, the tension from work, the heaviness of other people's emotions, and without thinking, you toss them near your bed, under a desk, or at the entrance of your home. You may not realize it, but that stagnant energy starts to seep into your surroundings, creating an invisible wall between you and financial opportunities. The next morning, you wake up feeling sluggish, unmotivated, or overwhelmed. You try to push forward, but something feels off. Your abundance is blocked and you don't even know why. This is why, in ancient practices, purification rituals were used to cleanse shoes before they re-entered a sacred or personal space. Whether it was leaving them outside, sprinkling salt for energetic purification, or storing them in enclosed areas, these small but powerful habits ensured that the energy in a home remained clear, allowing for a continuous flow of prosperity and spiritual well-being. Understanding this hidden energetic connection is the first step toward realigning yourself with abundance. Now take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for powerful insights into Buddhist teachings, the law of attraction, astrology, numerology, and spiritual growth. Your support helps us bring you more transformative content. Comment below. I claim wealth and declare abundance, prosperity, and success in my life in 2025. This simple affirmation is your first step to aligning yourself with the prosperity of the universe. When you say it, you activate the energy of success and financial freedom in your life. Now it's time to uncover the 5 worst places to store them. Each of these locations disrupts the natural flow of prosperity, creates hidden energetic barriers, and unknowingly pushes money away from your life. Let's count them down, saving the most dangerous one for last. Number 5, at the front door. Your front door is the gateway of opportunities. In Feng Shui, it's known as the mouth of Qi, where energy, both positive and negative, enters your home. When shoes are left here, they act as a barrier, blocking the natural flow of wealth and success. Think of it this way: if abundance were knocking on your door, Would you welcome it into a space cluttered with stagnant, chaotic energy? When shoes pile up at the entrance, they create an energetic traffic jam, pushing away financial blessings before they even have a chance to enter. Many people who experience constant financial struggles unknowingly make this mistake, leaving their shoes right where prosperity is meant to flow in. The solution? Keep your entryway clear. If you must store shoes near the entrance, place them in a closed cabinet to contain their energy and allow fresh, positive chi to circulate freely. Number 4. Under the bed. Your bedroom is your most intimate space, where you recharge spiritually, emotionally, and physically. The energy here directly affects your subconscious mind, which is crucial for manifesting wealth and success. Storing shoes under your bed means you're sleeping above trapped external energy, leading to restlessness, financial anxiety, and mental fog. In many spiritual traditions, the area beneath your bed is considered a reflection of your inner world. If it's filled with objects carrying chaotic vibrations, like shoes that have absorbed stress, exhaustion, and negativity, it disrupts your ability to fully rest and regenerate. Over time, this leads to feelings of depletion, making it harder to attract clarity, focus, and financial opportunities. A simple shift can make a massive difference. Clear the space beneath your bed. Let it breathe, keep it empty, or store only soft, positive energy items like blankets or spiritual books. If you've been waking up feeling drained or unmotivated, this small change can reset your energy and open doors to financial renewal. 3. Next to your work or study area. Your work or study space is where ideas flow, opportunities manifest, and financial growth begins. But placing shoes near this area is a silent energy disruptor, creating an unconscious block between you and your success. Shoes, especially worn ones, carry the energy of movement, exhaustion, and instability. When left near the place where you focus, they introduce energetic noise, making it harder to concentrate, make clear decisions, and channel your full creative potential. People who unknowingly store their shoes near their desk often find themselves stuck in career stagnation, unable to advance despite their efforts. If you've ever struggled with productivity, felt uninspired at work, or experienced sudden setbacks in your career, this could be the reason. The fix? Keep your workspace energetically clean. Store shoes away from areas tied to your financial success, and consider placing a small wealth-attracting object, like a piece of citrine or a money plant, on your desk to enhance prosperity. Number 2. Near a mirror. Mirrors are one of the most powerful spiritual tools, amplifying and reflecting energy. But when they reflect chaos or negativity, they double its impact. And this includes shoes, which hold external vibrations. Leaving shoes near a mirror creates a loop of instability, constantly reinforcing financial unpredictability, lost opportunities, and unnecessary expenses. Many esoteric traditions believe that mirrors act as portals, and if they reflect stagnant or negative energy, they create a self-replicating cycle. This is why people who keep shoes near mirrors often find themselves in a pattern of sudden financial ups and downs, where money comes in but disappears just as quickly. The remedy is simple. Keep mirrors clear of clutter, especially shoes. If a mirror is reflecting disorder, move it or place a small wealth symbol, like a gold coin or a prosperity charm, nearby to counteract the negative influence. Each of these locations holds a powerful energetic significance, influencing everything from your sleep quality to your career success and financial stability. If you've been feeling drained, stuck, or as if money keeps slipping away, the energy from misplaced shoes might be playing a bigger role than you realize. But now, it's time to reveal the most dangerous place of all, the one mistake that silently pollutes your aura, creates invisible financial blockages, and keeps abundance just out of reach. This is where most people unknowingly trap themselves in cycles of scarcity without ever realizing the cause. 1. In your bedroom closet. Your closet is where you store your essence, your clothes, personal belongings, and spiritual identity. It holds a direct energetic link to your aura, which means everything inside influences your subconscious mind. Storing shoes here unknowingly pollutes your personal field with external chaos, old energy, and financial blockages. In ancient wisdom, closets represent hidden aspects of our inner world. If shoes, symbols of movement, exhaustion, and external influences, are stored here, they mix with your personal vibration, creating unseen resistance in your financial flow. Many people who struggle with repeating money problems, feelings of being stuck, or unexplained financial setbacks unknowingly keep their shoes in their bedroom closet, allowing that energy to merge with their abundance frequency. The solution? Separate external energy from your personal essence. Store shoes in a designated area outside your main closet space, or if that's not possible, at least organize them neatly with a protective layer, such as a closed box or a cloth infused with cleansing herbs. This simple change can create a profound shift in your financial energy, bringing clarity, confidence, and new financial breakthroughs. Each of these locations holds a powerful energetic significance, influencing everything from your sleep quality to your career success and financial stability. By becoming aware of these hidden blockages and making simple adjustments, you can align yourself with a flow of wealth, clarity, and abundance. Now that you know where not to place your shoes, the next step is just as important, storing them correctly to ensure they work in your favor rather than against you. When done right, your shoes can be transformed from energy disruptors into powerful tools for wealth attraction, allowing financial opportunities to flow freely into your life. The first rule of proper shoe storage is containment. Never leave your shoes scattered around your home. This creates energetic chaos, mirroring financial disorder and confusion. Instead, store them in a closed cabinet, shoebox, or designated storage space to prevent their external energy from seeping into your living environment. In Feng Shui, this practice helps contain and neutralize stagnant vibrations, allowing your home to remain a space of abundance and harmony. Beyond organization, cleansing your shoes regularly is crucial. Think of all the places they've been: the streets, offices, stores, areas filled with stress, exhaustion, and even negative emotions. Every time you wear them, they carry those energies with them. If you never cleanse them, that stagnant energy builds up, subtly influencing your mindset, motivation, and even your financial decisions. A simple but powerful way to cleanse shoes is by sprinkling salt inside them overnight to absorb residual negativity. Alternatively, you can use sage or Palo Santo to spiritually cleanse them before placing them back into storage. For those who truly want to turn their shoes into wealth magnets, adding prosperity-enhancing elements to their storage space is a game changer. Place a small piece of citrine, pyrite, or clear quartz inside your shoe cabinet. These crystals are known for their ability to attract abundance and dispel negative energy. You can also write a prosperity affirmation on a small piece of paper and keep it inside the storage space, setting an intention that your shoes will carry you toward financial success with every step you take. Finally, be mindful of how you treat your shoes. Respect them, and they will serve you well. Shoes represent movement, progress, and direction. When you care for them, you align yourself with an energy of purpose and intention. Keep them clean, organized, and energetically clear, and you will notice a shift not just in your home's atmosphere, but in your financial flow as well. With these simple yet powerful adjustments, you'll turn what was once an energetic obstacle into a pathway toward abundance. But there's still one more secret, a way to not only store your shoes correctly, but to program them to attract wealth and success with every step you take. Every day, you put on your shoes and step out into the world carrying energy with you. But what if, instead of carrying random vibrations from the past, you could program your shoes with an intention of prosperity, success, and abundance? This is where the wealth programming ritual comes in. It's a simple yet incredibly effective technique based on the law of attraction and subconscious reprogramming. Every time you put on your shoes, you will charge them with an energy of financial growth and success, ensuring that every step you take moves you closer to your goals. Here's how to do it. Before putting on your shoes, place both hands over them and take a deep breath. Close your eyes and visualize golden energy surrounding them, filling them with the vibration of wealth and opportunity. Then say this affirmation out loud. With every step I take, I walk toward wealth, success, and divine abundance. Feel the energy of those words anchoring into your shoes, embedding the intention into them. Now, as you walk through your day, every step will serve as a subconscious reinforcement of your alignment with prosperity. You're no longer just moving physically, you're moving energetically toward financial success. To make this ritual even more powerful, you can place a small drop of essential oil, such as cinnamon or basil, inside your shoes once a week. Both are known for their prosperity-enhancing properties. Another option is to tape a tiny piece of money-attracting crystal like citrine or pyrite inside the sole of your shoe, symbolizing that wealth follows you wherever you go. By integrating this practice into your daily life, you transform something as ordinary as putting on shoes into a wealth magnetization ritual. Every step becomes intentional, every movement carries abundance, and before you know it, your financial reality begins to shift. But there's one final step, declaring your abundance to the universe. Words carry energy, and when spoken with intention, they become powerful manifestations. I want you to write this in the comments below, sealing your commitment to financial prosperity. I claim wealth and declare abundance, prosperity, and success in my life in 2025. By writing these words, you're not just commenting, you're activating a spiritual contract with wealth. You're aligning your subconscious with the energy of success and affirming that you are ready to receive all the abundance the universe has to offer. Most people will hear this knowledge and do nothing, continuing to unknowingly block their own financial blessings. But you now have the keys to change your energy, shift your environment, and open yourself to new opportunities. The question is, will you take action? If you found this insight powerful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. The more we spread this knowledge, the more we collectively raise the energy of prosperity. See you in the next video.